I think it's fascinating. It's thrilling. It's very nice to meet these young, they're not all young, but these talents from Montenegro that I wasn't really aware of. I knew some of the projects that I met here, but I didn't know that this was such a vibrant community of filmmakers, and I was really impressed by the quality of the work that was presented here in the last 2 days. It's an enormous amount. 21 projects in 2 days is a lot of projects, and I had individual meetings now with 10 of them, and I think some of them have a great potential to be co-produced within the European network. Of course, not every project is suitable for a co-production with France or with Germany or with the Scandinavian country. Some projects are made to be co-produced within the region, and I think that's perfect, because not every project needs to be co-produced on a wider scale. But some of them are, and some of them have the potential, and I'm really looking forward to see them in the festivals next year or the year after.